Steam Deck. It's pretty cool. You can play some video games on here. You can even boot Windows on it. But what if you want to play a game that requires secure boot? Well, you just go into the BIOS, right? And go into the setup. Not under security. Okay, how about advanced? Not in here either. What the heck? Turns out you can enable secure boot on the Steam Deck though. And you can play games like League of Legends, Valorant, and even Battlefield 6. The original way to do this was documented by 10-Minute Steam Deck Gamer, but it involved generating your own keys, running some terminal commands, and it had potential to permanently lock your device in secure boot mode if you lost those keys. So I made something new, DeckSB, which works on all Steam Deck models to enable and disable secure boot. SteamOS still launches, and it's super easy to use. Head to the GitHub page in the description, go to Releases, download the ISO, and flash it to a USB drive with Etcher or similar program. Boot the Steam Deck holding the volume down and power buttons to enter the boot manager, and select your USB device. This will boot you into a live Arch Linux environment with all of the tools you need and a nice little menu. You can check your secure boot status, enable secure boot, install the custom bootloader which is required to get back into SteamOS under secure boot, and optionally install the files from the ISO onto your disk so you can change your secure boot status without requiring the USB in the future. Then simply reboot, you'll get dropped into this new boot manager, select SteamOS, and everything works exactly as it did before. With secure boot enabled, BitLocker might automatically turn itself on in Windows. I suggest turning this off so that the bootloader is able to chain load it correctly. A final note on some games that require the latest up-to-date drivers like Battlefield 6. They're really only concerned about the registry key reporting the correct version. All of the graphics APIs will work just fine, so you can use regedit to manually change those values. The Steam Deck won't accept the latest AMD drivers, unfortunately, so this is your only method. And that's it. Follow my Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel.